His Holiness was escorted through the city by a large number of police vehicles, who gave His Holiness and his entourage protocol reserved for state visitors. After a short journey, His Holiness arrived to large crowds gathered outside the Ahmad Mosque in Baltimore. County police vehicles and helicopters were present for safeguarding the gathering. His Holiness inaugurated and inspected the mosque, which was previously a church, and over a 3-year period, with the donations of the local Ahmadiyya community, had finally been turned into a mosque.
Wide again, please. Wide only.